All right, this is a 2011 GMC Acadia. This is the Denali. The dual zone climate. And the passenger side vents are blowing out hot no matter what temperature you put it on. So that's a blend door motor or blend door actuator. So I have part number 604141. These things are about $20 a piece, but they're a butt to get to. That one's not bad up in there, but the one that we need is directly behind here. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell you, to make an impossible job a little bit less impossible, you need to take a Dremel or something and cut that piece of plastic out right there. Yours may be black. This is a tan and black interior. But cut this piece out. Glue it back later if you want to. But you gotta get that out to get to that screw. And there's, let's see if I can get it. There's another screw that's gonna go right there. And finally, you need to come up underneath the dash. Your last screw is gonna go right there. You gotta lay on your back, and it's pretty awkward and it sucks, but that's the way to do it. So if you want to maintain any sanity whatsoever, cut that out so you can get to that screw. Otherwise, you're gonna be trying to reach your hand back in here like this with a tool and turning it out half a click at a time. Not a good idea. If you've got a screw in a hard to reach spot, and if you drop it, it goes into the great unknown. Got a piece of electrical tape here, and I just, sticky side up, poked a hole through it. Yeah, some people have their fancy magnetic bits. And I'm never going to see that screw again, so I don't really care if there's a little piece of tape underneath of it. How about that? So to find this hole in the back, I'm literally using my camera and videotaping, and I'm standing back here watching the screen. That's how I'm seeing the hole. I can't see it otherwise. I can't stick my head inside the glove box. My bed's still, my T20 is still stuck in there. That's all right. I can get that out by feel. And I'm actually going to reach in here and grab the tape and pull it off. There it is. And there's our screw. So I'll just finish threading that baby in, tighten it down, then we'll just have the one on the bottom to go. My bed's still, my T20 is still stuck in there. That's all right. I can get that out by feel. Peel the tape back a little bit, pull it out. And then I'm actually going to reach in here and grab the tape and pull it off. There it is. And there's our screw. So I'll just finish threading that baby in, tighten it down, then we'll just have the one on the bottom to go. All right, and that third one, I'm not gonna lay under here. I'm actually just gonna go kind of sideways. All right, so here's your bottom vent. My hand's just gonna come up. You can see the socket. Yep, so that's the screw. And in this position, I can tighten it by hand.